In this video guide, I'll demonstrate how to add users and set user permission on a BigCRM account. In BigCRM, you can provide access to others by inviting them as new users. Navigate to BQool account and select Manage Users. Click the Add Users button to grant access rights to the new user. When you add a new user, you must input user's email, first and last name, and user's permissions. If you don't have an appropriate permission set for a new user, you can add a new permission by clicking the Add Permission button. Name your permission and select the appropriate permission settings for your new user and then click Save. Your new permission is now set. You can assign it to the new user. Click the Reload Permission icon and then select the new permission in the drop-down menu. When you are done, click Save. If the new user hasn't accepted your invitation, you can resend an invitation email to the person. When the new user account has been confirmed by its owner, the account status will turn to active. This concludes the video on how to add users and set user permission. If you require assistance in setting up Sticker Manager on BigCRM, please contact BQool support on our live chat. Alternatively, you could email us at support@bqool.com for further assistance.